Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have your numbers. Start by selecting the cells you want to average. Once selected, notice any empty cells or text values that will skew results, so clean them first. Make sure data are numeric. Convert or trim spaces if necessary. Now, click the formula bar or enter a function directly in the cell where you want the mean. This first step sets a reliable foundation so subsequent formulas return accurate results without surprises. Once you've selected a clean range, type equals average A1, A10, or adjust the range to match. If you need conditional means, use average range, criteria, or average for multiple conditions. These let you exclude zeros or labels. Make sure to anchor ranges with $ when copying formulas. If some inputs might error or be empty, wrap your formula in -. To avoid #div/0 messages. This ensures results stay readable and robust as data change. When you're done, copy the formula where needed and verify with the status bar by selecting the same range to see a quick average. Once done, double-check filters and hidden rows because filtered out cells won't be included in average unless intentional. Make sure numbers formatted as text are converted to numeric, otherwise you'll get a misleading mean. If something goes wrong, inspect for non-numeric entries or mismatched ranges. Fixing those usually resolves unexpected results quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.